Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into an important topic, heavy metal detox foods. We're constantly bombarded with toxins from our environment, the food we eat, even the air we breathe. Over time, these heavy metals can build up in our bodies and lead to some pretty nasty health problems. But don't worry, I'm here to give you the knowledge and the power to take control of your health. We're going to explore 5 powerful foods that can naturally help your body get rid of these harmful toxins. Let's get started. First up, we have cilantro. This aromatic herb is a powerhouse when it comes to detox. See, cilantro is a natural chelata. Now, chelation is a process where a substance binds to heavy metals in your body, making them easier to eliminate. Cilantro is especially effective at removing mercury, which can be found in things like large fish and even some dental fillings. So, how do you get more cilantro in your diet? It's easy. Add it to your salads, smoothies, or even make a delicious cilantro pesto. Next, we have chlorella, a type of single-celled green algae. Don't let its size fool you. This stuff is packed with nutrients and chlorophyll, which is what gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll is a potent detoxifier, helping to bind to heavy metals and escort them out of your system. You can find chlorella in powder or tablet form at most health food stores. Add a scoop to your smoothie or simply take it with water. Now let's talk about spirulina, another type of blue-green algae that's similar to chlorella. Spirulina is a great source of protein, vitamins and minerals. But what makes it a heavy metal detox superstar is its high concentration of phycocyanin. Phycocyanin is a powerful antioxidant that specifically targets heavy metals like lead and cadmium, helping to neutralize their harmful effects. You can find spirulina in the same forms as chlorella, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Let's move on to a kitchen staple, garlic. We all know garlic adds a ton of flavor to our food, but did you know it's also a powerful detoxifier? Garlic contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which give it that distinctive smell. These sulfur compounds have been shown to protect against heavy metal toxicity by binding to heavy metals and preventing them from being absorbed into your body. So load up on garlic. Add it to your stir-fries, soups, or even roast a whole head of garlic for a delicious and healthy treat. Last but not least, we have lemon. This citrus fruit is a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by heavy metals. Lemons also help to alkalize your body, making it less hospitable to heavy metals. Start your day with a warm glass of lemon water to kickstart your body's natural detoxification process. You can also add lemon juice to your salads, smoothies, or even use it to flavor your water throughout the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to include these foods in your diet to help detoxify heavy metals. Remember, living a healthy lifestyle is all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Start incorporating 1 or 2 of these foods into your diet and see how you feel. You can gradually add more as you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, everyone.